So hi, good afternoon and welcome once again. So what's your name?
So my name is Pratik Sawan.
Pratik. Okay. So can you tell me how was your experience of CTF?
Okay, so CTF experience was very good because there were some customized boxes which are prepared by Mr. WebSecure. So I have been played CTF a lot, but this was an unique box. So like it was specifically made for this complete event. So like I was not able to get any flags, but at the end the instructor guided us like how you should be solving the boxes. So that was very helpful.
So do you think you were able to crack the flag?
Yeah, so like once the event was up, so that time I got my first hint. So like
Okay.
I was on the right track. So
Okay.
later on the instructor guided me properly like how
Acha.
you can be able to do the box.
अच्छा, and आपका overall experience कैसा था HackOline का Security Conference 2023?
So it was very good. So the speakers which came like gave us the best guidance. Like I think we were doing few things in the cybersecurity, but they had shown us the way like where we can go and where we can head in the direction. So it was very informative. So I will like to visit more and more conferences which HackOline will organize in future.
Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.